Hello to everyone from RADE Garage. Today I would like to introduce you a completely new product. It's a Lite Kit for Husqvarna 701. It fits exactly in between the popular fairing kit and the OEM mask. It was designed from scratch to nicely fit with the OEM headlight and the entire bike. But it's not only about the design, it's about the functionality. It's a very robust solution for the adventure and ready riding. The Lite Kit is a different concept than the fairing kit. You see, when I turn the handlebars, the cockpit is turning as well, because it's mounted directly on the triple clamps. This design is way more simple and it has two implications. The first one, we could reduce the weight. The Lite Kit is only 1 kg heavier than the original mask. And secondly, we could reduce the costs and transform it into a very affordable price for you. But there are also some similarities with the fairing kit. In both solutions, the dominant is the windshield. Here you can compare. By the way, this is the Hellas Ready Winner 23. So you can see that the Lite Kit windshield is way more compact than the fairing one. But you can see it's tall enough to protect all your navigation devices behind it and protect it from the stones and branches. Guys, and one more remark regarding the wind protection. Now the windshield is in lower position, but the entire cockpit could be mounted 3 centimeters higher, and it gives you some extra wind protection if you need. Endurance and durability are very important parameters for us when designing the Lite Kit. That's why the material selection as well as the design itself are done in a way that the Lite Kit is as much crash-proof as possible. The windshield is unique design, different from the 690 Lite Kit, because it matches the OEM Husqvarna headlight. The manufacturing technology is injected molding, where the plastic goes in the mold. It's actually the same manufacturing technology as the OEM windshield. As a result, you can see nice sharp design with nicely rounded edges, compliant with the TIF. The material is known publicly as a Lexan. It's very flexible and hard to crack. Behind the windshield you can find the aluminum tower from 2 mm thick material. You can see it's a nicely closed design, so your connectors and cables are well protected. In the back you can see nicely CNC milled plate, 4 mm thick, that is mounted directly to the triple clamps and ensure great stability of the cockpit even in hard terrain. The headlight as well as the windshield are mounted on the silent blocks. It means the solution is ready to absorb some of your crashes and increase the probability you will come home in one piece. As we said earlier, the tower has a closed design. But we know from your customer feedback that you need time to access the connectors inside the tower. That's why we designed the Lite Kit in a way that it's enough to release 4 bolts easily accessible from the side. And you can remove the headlight, windshield and the front cover at once. Then you just disconnect the headlights and you can comfortably access all the connectors inside the tower. As we travel ourselves a lot, we know how important it is to have the navigation in front of you and in good viewpoint. That's why the 701 Lite Kit comes with a white crossbar that is mounted on the rubber silent blocks that reduce the micro vibrations and protect your device. To simplify the installation of your device to the crossbar, you will get from us also a platform, so-called Garmin adapter, with the dimensions that directly fit with the Garmin cradle, DMD holder, carpenter holder, RAM mount, and many others. You can install the platform to the crossbar in 3 different positions and change the angle to ensure your device is always in the best viewpoint. You can see there is plenty of space within the 701 Lite Kit for the navigation devices. You can place there either 2 handsets next to each other, handset and Garmin, or big navigation tablet 7 to 8 inches, and it is still nicely protected by the windshield. Every device needs a charging. That's why on the right side of the aluminum tower you can find the OEM socket, and you can easily connect your phone or any navigation device. Let me summarize. With the 701 Lite Kit, you will get a very compact but also robust solution for the off-road riding. You will get improved wind protection, space for navigation, and all that is wrapped in nice RADE design. If you like it, please order on our eShop.